Defects after assembly, inconsistent test results, reliability concerns showing up too late. In semiconductor manufacturing, one invisible risk is often underestimated: uncontrolled moisture. That is why semiconductor facilities need controlled air, not just clean air. Bry-Air helps control moisture at the source with engineered desiccant dehumidification and humidity control solutions. In wafer fabrication and lithography, stable humidity helps reduce risks of condensation, photoresist instability, and pattern distortion. In cleanrooms, precise humidity management supports contamination control, particle management, and ESD-sensitive environments. During assembly and packaging, moisture control helps reduce corrosion, delamination, and popcorning risks during reflow. Controlled dry conditions during storage and testing help minimize moisture ingress, leakage current, and long-term degradation. With low dew point control and stable humidity, Bry-Air supports process consistency, defect reduction, and reliable semiconductor manufacturing. Contact Bry-Air for semiconductor humidity control solutions.